So these are the best Brookhaven codes and they're actually new, so you can use them right now. So I have here this website which will give us all of the codes that we can use, and it's right here. So as you can see, there are a lot of codes that we can use, and these are actually music codes. So what they do is basically they play music whenever we type them in. So for example, if you're in a car, you could usually use the radio, or if you have a megaphone or a radio, you could use that and put these codes in them. So I'm just going to scroll through these, and you can pause the video whenever you want to, and then you can just go on ahead and use whatever code you want. There are a lot of them, so make sure you just pause or look through the videos one by one. And yeah, basically I'm just gonna keep on scrolling and scrolling. Just pause the video whenever you want to and just read which song you would like to do. As you can see, there are some songs like Olivia Rodrigo or Taylor Swift, or maybe even Frank Ocean or Frozen. Basically, there are a lot of songs, so you'll have a lot to pick from. So that's pretty much it. Those are all of the songs for Brookhaven and the codes for Brookhaven. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.